Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix iPhone camera black screen. Let's get started. First, make sure nothing is blocking the camera. Clean the lenses and remove any cases or accessories that might be covering it. If the camera is still black, try a forced restart. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button. After that, hold the power button. Keep holding it until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. This usually clears software glitches that can cause the camera to stop working. Once your phone's restart, open the camera and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem still continues, open up Settings, tap on General, scroll below, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, and just like that, tap on Reset All Settings. If that does not work, you may need to do a full factory reset. Select Erase All Content and Settings and make sure to back up your data to iCloud or computer before erasing. After the reset, set up your iPhone again and test the camera. Hopefully, one of these fixes can help fix your black screen issue on iPhone camera. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.